Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about restoring your ankle mobility. Traditionally, if you have an ankle issue or ankle stiffness, you try to isolate the ankle. Maybe you do put your foot close to the wall and you try to get your knee to touch the wall without your heel coming up, or you take a stick to do some mobility drills with it. But the point is you focus on the ankle. But what if your ankle was stiff because your feet weren't mobile? Maybe your feet need attention. Or what if really everything needs attention and you're not just a bunch of parts? But what if you try to focus on getting every joint to dance together the way it's designed? It could work, right? So a really easy, well, not easy, a great way to restore ankle mobility is to teach your ankles how to dance with the rest of your joints. And one way we can do that is rocking. Simply rocking on your hands and knees gets your ankles, your feet, your toes, your wrists, your hips, and your knees all learning, and your shoulders, all learning how to dance together as one beautiful body. So it's like putting a bunch of instruments together to create the orchestra that plays the symphony, right? So by rocking back and forth, teaching all the joints how to move together, we can restore the ankle. We can help the brain learn where it's at, how it moves, how it's designed to move, how to reintegrate it into the system for fluid motion. And the other thing we can do with that is play with ankle position. So say your ankle's stiff on the outside, so maybe we try to rock back and forth by opening up the outside of the ankle by dropping the heels to the outside, now mobilizing the smaller toes. Say we do the same thing. We drop the ankle in to mobilize the big toe. Maybe our big toes need attention. So we change our foot position to address different needs of the ankle as we teach everything how to dance together. So maybe as we rock, we just explore different foot positions as we rock. You don't have to do it like I just did it. You can spend some time with your heels out. You can spend time with your heels straight up. You can spend time with your heels in. You could spend time, now this is crazy, you could go dorsiflexion. Get on the balls of your feet, mobilize your toes in a different way. Healthy toes, healthy feet allow for healthy moving ankles, which allow for healthy moving knees and healthy moving hips, healthy moving shoulders. It's amazing how the chain of events starts from the ground up. Anyway, here in dorsiflexion, we can also change foot position. We can go heels in to really mobilize the big toe. We can go heels straight up. We can try to drop the heels out. And you're gonna find that some of those positions are just challenging for you. That's okay. Spending time trying to access them is how you get access to them. Anyway, if we treat our body as a whole body instead of a collection of parts, we can restore parts that, and I know it sounds weird, right? We're not a collection of parts. But if there's an area that needs attention, we can restore that area by teaching it how to play well with its other friends and neighbors, if that makes any sense. All that to say is you can restore ankle mobility by rocking. And you can rock in different ways. You can even do Lego rocking, because if I'm Lego rocking, I'm really mobilizing my toe and my feet, going through, I'm getting through my whole foot here, mobilizing the hip. The knee's not getting as much because it's kind of fixed here, but the ankle's getting movement, especially if I take the knee in different vectors of motion. Great way to mobilize the foot, great way to restore, it's a great way to restore the ankle. I'm sorry, I haven't really had a lot of coffee, but you wouldn't know that. Anyway, that's our tip for this week. If you want to restore your ankles, or your hips, or your knees, or your toes, or your wrists, or your shoulders, spend time rocking on your hands and knees within different foot positions. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.